All right, so here we have a 2016 F-150. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to replace the PCV valve. As per maintenance, this vehicle has 60,000 miles, so it's part of the service. So the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the engine cover with two 10 millimeter nuts on each side. All right, we're going to remove the oil cap. Oh, maybe. Go ahead and put our oil cap back on just to make sure nothing gets dropped in there. All right, so here's our PCV that we're going to replace. So there's a tab on the side. We'll go ahead and push the tab backwards, and then we can pull our connector off. All right. And we just want to twist. All right, so there we have our PCV. All right, so we have our new PCV that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. So we want to just put that in, and then we want to twist it to lock it in. Go ahead and press our line back on. All right, so we'll take our oil cap back off. Oil cap back on. Go ahead and put our 10 millimeter nuts back on. All right, we're all set now. We just replaced, as per maintenance, the PCV system.